In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view sales by channel in Shopify on desktop. If you're trying to figure out which places are actually driving your revenue, whether it's your online store, point of sale, a third-party marketplace, or a buy button, Shopify's built-in Sales by Channel report gives you a clear, organized view. We'll open that report from your admin and use it to understand performance across channels with just a few clicks. Start by opening your desktop browser and logging into your Shopify admin. You'll land on the main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, find Analytics. Click that to open Shopify's Analytics area and then choose Reports. This brings you to a library of ready-made reports designed to help you analyze different parts of your business. At the top of the Reports page, there's a category dropdown. Click it and select Sales. This filters the list so you only see sales-related reports. In this list, look for the report called Sales by Sales Channel. Depending on your store, you might see it labeled as Net Sales by Channel. Either way, it's the one that groups your revenue by channel. Click the report name to open it. Once the report loads, you'll see a table that organizes your data by the Sales Channel column. This is where you'll find rows like Online Store, Point of Sale, POS, Third Party, and Buy Button. Each row shows how much revenue that channel generated in the time period you're viewing. It's a simple way to answer questions like, is my POS catching up to my online store? Or, are third-party channels worth the effort? At the top of the report, adjust the date range to focus your analysis. You can switch to last 7 days for a quick pulse check, last month to evaluate a recent campaign, or any custom range that matches your reporting cycle. Changing the date range instantly updates the table, letting you see how channel performance shifts over time. As you review the numbers, think about your goals. If one channel consistently outperforms the others, that might signal where to focus your promotions or inventory. If a newer channel is gaining momentum, this report helps you spot that trend early. And if a channel dips, the change in the date range view can help you pinpoint when it started. That's all you need to access and understand the Sales by Channel report in Shopify on desktop. Use it regularly to monitor where your sales are coming from and guide smarter decisions about your marketing and sales efforts.